This is not quite your usual misty day up in the Dublin Mountains. It's now 5 days later, yet these fires still burn. I had originally intended to film what I thought would be an old burn scar up in the Dublin Mountains. So I came to Marley Park to take the classic hiking route, the Wicklow Way, up to the top. I love the care to leave no trace here. It's a shame we can't always have this attention to detail. Eventually, I made it to Comeragh, which was busy today. It felt ironic to read the leave no trace sign as I was making my way to the scar of a wildfire. But it's also why I wanted to make this video. I think sometimes there can be a difference between reading something and then actually seeing the impact. Seeing the type of nature that these guidelines are here to protect. And as you get to the top of the mountains, old scars appear. Right as new life emerges. As I joined the Dublin Mountains Way, I was anticipating seeing the burn scar, but this is where the first hint of something wrong appears. It was clear that this fire was not finished. The ground was already ploughed ahead to allow fire brigade access. And seeing this hastily cleared path ahead, I had to get closer. These fires can start in a myriad of ways, but we must be extra careful when the ground is so dry. The people in the communities who are affected, the wildlife who can't escape, they all depend on us being sensible about our choices up here. After all, it only takes one mistake with an open flame to cause years of devastation. So I ask you to do your part and leave no trace.